Man, it's me again, see there?
Yeah.
Mama's Kitchen, see there? Another Sunday me a pass through.
Yeah.
I tell you, I would encourage me for fried dumpling when I get from my mother. Fried dumpling and what me say? Ooh, callaloo and saltfish.
Yeah.
See there?
Fried
Mother look
dumpling.
after that, you know, Maxine Kitchen.
Yes, yes.
Look on it, look on it. What you have cup up on another little plate there? You hide something?
No man, this is just some salt.
Yeah man, let me see it man, I want to see the people that want to open your saltfish. The people that want to open the saltfish, see there?
Saltfish because
see it there?
I never want the
callaloo and
in
saltfish, look on it there?
Just take out some of the saltfish.
See it there? Fried dumpling, I never eat right now.
In there.
Wow, who for water for no business. You see that, look here now?
Eh?
Look how me have a eat. Look how me have a drink.
See it there?
See that, look here now?
No, this is some coffee.
Some coffee? You see it there? A Blue Mountain Tea coffee? Why, me I tell you, Jamaican coffee, look on it, it's strong. Yes?
This a bulgur porridge.
Bulgur porridge.
Yeah.
The whole of Jamaica know about bulgur. We used to get bulgur when they go home from school.
Yeah.
When I go school and school I get holiday, then make sure we get your bulgur, look there.
Yeah.
My mother look after me bulgur.
Yeah, bulgur porridge.
Who not get none, not get none.
And the cinnamon stick, them that in there.
Cinnamon stick, look there now.
Cinnamon stick.
Watch ya. I saw it go.
Yeah.
Look on it, man.
Make it nice, the cinnamon.
What you have in the pot here?
Some ginger tea. You want ginger tea?
What you know? Telling you, you know. So when you have your mother, you have your mother. When you have your mother, sorry for you, but guess what now? You still have a mother because you have a grandmother. And you have a friend with a mother who adopt you to be their mother, alright?
You know, Richie, you never see me big pot them.
So the thing goes, see there?